Alright, everybody. Part 8 of my spring maintenance today. I should have told you to grease them. I did that. You should have done that. I'll do a later video on that, but it's pretty self-explanatory. This is a Briggs Stratton Vanguard, 26 horsepower, 810cc. Okay? So it's going to be the same in a lot of the Vanguards. So here you go. You're going to get this here, and what you're going to need is a socket wrench, and you're going to need a 5/8 socket wrench remover, an adapter of this. You could do it with just one adapter and put it in there, but it's tight, and I was just running the machine. And then you got this handy dandy right here, ratcheting socket wrench. It is a lifesaver. All right, so we're gonna take that bad boy off and look at him. He's really not that bad, but we got him here, and these are Champion XC92YCs. Okay, that's what we're putting in. Okay, look at that bit. It's out. It's out. Don't touch it.
Hold on.
Okay, I'll put a link to these below as well. That's where I bought mine from, on the Amazons. Okay, get that in there. Get as close as you can by hand before you hook up the socket wrench. Even though I do have that handy dandy rotating ratchet socket wrench, you know. It still goes, but one turn is only a quarter, so it takes a while to do it that way. I don't want reverse still. Got a nice little button there for release, which some don't have. Well, come on, really? There we go. Careful when you got all those extra extensions on, you can over tighten easily. Snap that bad boy right off. Okay? A little more work, a little more pain, because guess what we got in the way? This guy.
I guess, right.
So, this one is going to be a pain in the butt. What you're going to use is this guy here. Pop that out of there.
Hold on, okay.
Because the engine was just running. Okay, get that boot out of there. Let's see if we can reach it from below here. Okay. So, this is going to be a handy dandy super pain in the butt. You liked my handy dandy? I don't know why I'm on a Blues Clues words today, but I am. Coming like that from below, see that? You get this extender, it's got the rounded kind, you can kind of come in an angle. Or if you get just tightened, loosen. It's a tight fit here. It may not even work that way. You might need a super small socket wrench.
A skinny one.
Yeah. Cannot get that in there. We're going to try it with this again. As you can see, I can't get there. So what we're going to do is we're going to get out a wrench and we're going to turn that out of there. Be right back.
Okay.
So what you're going to need is a 3/4 wrench for this tight fit, and this is going to take a while. If you got a ratcheting wrench, you're going to love life. If you don't, you're gonna hate it like I am right now. And so I don't know if I released this some other time, but maybe because I'm using a wrench, it seemed to come way too easy for me. So this socket, this spark plug was not in there great.
Hold on just a sec. Okay.
Okay, when you get it good enough, if you reach just now from below, you got it, and you're out. And I'm not all the way out. Thought it was. Very difficult angle and takes a while. A lot of threads on this socket, on this spark plug. And look at him, he's actually not that bad like I thought he was going to be, because of him not
Oh, that's
being
pretty bad.
right in there. No. This is what matters up there.
Yeah.
That part's just dirt. You hear me?
Mm-hmm.
I thought the electrode part was going to be all roasted because that was a very awkward angle. And the new one should go in easy. Okay. Careful if you just ran the engine, this valve cover is a little hot. That is the reason on the socket spark plug sockets that they have the hex on the end. It's for situations where you get stuck and you cannot attach a socket wrench in the end. Sorry, I'm blocking your view on that. Got a lot of room working there. As you can see, even though it was a pain, it really wasn't that bad. There's still quite enough room right here where you can get underneath, and if you got a long enough 3/4, like I have a longer one I probably should have got, but I just grabbed the first one I got. Make sure you get that good so it's not loose. That other one, it turns so easy. I might have been losing some like pressure there. There. The new boot. Not new boot, but the boot. Put it on, spin it around. Should be almost all tuned up and ready to go. I'm going to do some air filter cleaning and changing as well. And oil change, but I'm waiting on oil filters. Bought a whole bunch a while back. And I thought I still had them, and I did not. So that's where we are today, waiting on the delivery from the Amazons. Alright, is that it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'll put a link to these below. I'll put a link to my handy ratcheting socket wrench. I'll put a 5/8 socket, or set that has one in it. And some extensions. If I can find these extensions, I love these extensions that I bought. The long one. See it?
Did you bring it out?
Yeah, it's just here. There it is. And I have one that's like double this, and then I have a real short, and then some extenders to go up and to go down from 3/8 up to 1/2 inch and 3/8 down to 1/4 inch. Stuff like that. Is that everything?
Mm.
I think I even have a 1/2 inch down to 3/8, which is really nice. That it? Yeah. Buy these. Help me. Help you. Help me. Amazon affiliate. If I put a Walmart link, you can still buy it there. I just am not a Walmart affiliate because they keep denying me. Don't know why they want to deny me. I'm the poster child for Walmart. I'm just saying. Jack Hawk 9,000. 5,000? Something like that. Available only at Walmart. My hands. Alright, that's it. Please like, subscribe, it really helps during times. As always, I'm RJ. See you each and every day. Bye-bye.